What's up, guys? This is Jordan from Monster Murdering here, and I am literally sitting in the entrance to a park. I'm at the George Washington Bridge Ross Park picnic area, whatever it's called. Sorry for that little bump right there. Right now I'm waiting for one of my friends, and we're supposed to take some shots. He just got his brand new BMW 428, 430, one of those. I'll link his information in the description, or I'll pop it up somewhere around here, something like that. So I'm waiting for him right now. We were supposed to take shots down there, which would look really, really good, but the only thing is that a cop came by and he's like, hold up, let me take my hazards off. Yeah, the park closes at dusk. I'm like, that's just annoying. But he told me I had a nice car, and he said it sounded nice, even though my cat's not in my car anymore, and it smells like it, but he didn't notice, so I'm good with that. So I'm waiting for him. Once he gets here, we can go start somewhere, let's do something. Alright, guys, a little why is it so close? Goodness. Okay. A little problem. So it's fully closed now. All the gates are closed. Somehow I locked myself inside of here. So my friend's waiting at the entrance because he can't get in. So we're gonna try and get to him. Alright. Turn on my camera because it has really good acoustics up here. Really bumpy though. What's up, guys? It is Jordan. I am back. It's kinda, I know this is kinda different, because probably the last time in this video, the last time you saw me, I was going to take pictures and cruise around like the Hoboken area, Edgewater area. That's not what I'm doing right now. It is probably a very, very different shift for your eyes. I'm currently driving right now to go pick up my friend, the one I was actually hanging out with at the beginning of this video. But you didn't see him, even though I said you guys would see him. Either way, I'm gonna go pick him up, and we are going to JDM Engine Zone, or Engine Depot in Clifton. We're gonna go and look for engines, the ones for the IS, as well as R154 transmissions. We're looking for 1Js or 2Js, either one. Whatever one's the best for the car, we're gonna ask the guy or whoever's there. I've never been there, and I don't know if he's been there either, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna pick him up, and we're gonna get this done. Well, not done, but like, you know what I mean. Whatever. I'll see you guys later. Guys, so I don't really know which one to go to. Let's go with that one. JDM Engine Depot in Belleville. Alright. See you guys there. Alright, guys, we just got here to JDM Engine Depot. I guess that's the place right there, but I don't see anyone there parking or anything like that, so guess we'll just go through the door or whatever. It's a very understated place. There's only like 2 signs outside. Huh. I don't know what to expect. I'm thinking there's gonna be engines everywhere or whatever, but we'll see. Alright, guys, we are inside here, and it looks like heaven. We got JDM cargo seats. We have full-on pages. We have headlights, taillights, gauge clusters. Looks incredible inside here. Yeah, we have like a C3 out there. Yeah. One second.
I gotta load it up for them. Alright. Let's give it a second. I'll load you guys up. Give me a second, alright?
Inside of here is like heaven. My goodness.
I just empty two containers, so there's a big fans everywhere. So, one J. Oh, right here. One J, BBTI.
It's very clean. The harness comes in everything, or?
Yeah, the same way it is.
Oh wow. Okay. You know how many miles are on it?
It's supposed to be around 100,000 kilometers. So it's around 62, 63.
Gotcha. Okay. Really clean. Would you happen to know like the? I'm looking to put it inside an IS300. No? Gotcha.
And we do sell it all the time.
That was really clean.
For drifting?
No, I was gonna do road course.
I know a lot of people use this for drifting.
Oh yeah.
IS300 for drifting all day.
Yeah, that's. I was trying to go a little bit different with it. I bought the car for about $900. So the guy gave it to me, fully working. Trying to redo it right now.
Automatic or stick?
It's automatic. Can't find a stick one these days.
I know somebody who got a stick shoe.
Oh, really?
It needs a fender. Got a little fender with a garbage truck. Garbage truck backed up into the side. So I bent one fender and the bumper.
Oh wow. Goodness. Yeah, mine.
Stick shoe.
You know, but it's so hard to find. I was really trying to find one, so it'd be easier just swapping the trans and everything.
Because I already got the trans, you don't have to use put the motor and that's it.
Exactly.
It's the same thing, you can do 2J too with that.
Yeah, yeah. It has a G from stock, but
Yeah.
I don't trust the G at all. I'm really putting power for it, so. It looks very clean, so I didn't bring anything to take with me today. I just came to look. So I might come back.
Just listen, do your homework, what you need to make it in the car before you purchase the motor. It's good to know because you find out if this is the motor you need, this is the wire harness you need.
Yeah.
Like you need to know all those things
Before you purchase.
before you even purchase it.
Of course.
Because I don't want you to, and then the project takes you more than a year, then you're going to be
Ready
frustrated.
to be stuck, yeah.
Yeah, that's what happens to a lot of people. They get stuck and then they're selling the project cheap because they couldn't get it work.
Yeah. I saw someone, originally there was a guy selling a Dolby Turbo, 2Js VTC, put rods, pistons, everything inside, full spot kit, for everything, trans and everything for $3,500. Because he couldn't
That's not bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
That's not bad at all. Just the motor here, 2J,
Yeah,
BVTI,
yeah.
is just the motor by itself with trans automatic is 3,000.
By the time I got the car, probably like an hour later it sold. So
Yeah, people buy it right away. I know somebody in New York who had a pickup truck, 2J. Oh man, I think he left, Mike. He does work on Supras. So he made a 2J Toyota Tacoma.
What year? Like an 80?
I think it was 89.
Okay.
And one day he came over here, one of the customers offered her 18,000.
Goodness.
but the truck it was all done up. It needed paint, but differential. He used the shocks for RS7, 93. He did a whole bunch of custom work to the truck, so the truck would have hooked, take off, and he was just gonna paint, and the customer offered him all that money. He couldn't refuse it.
Yeah, you can't refuse it.
I was like, I cannot refuse it. So he bought a right-hand drive, real Supra. So I invested money the right way. After 3,000 more, I just bought me a real Supra.
Yeah, I'll definitely do my homework.
Yeah, just do the homework. Don't do like a lot of people do.
You can't just buy the motor and figure it out later.
And probably is gonna use a drifting car, but sometimes these things come with mobilizer.
Yeah,
it all depends.
Yeah.
You listen. This is
yeah.
But if you do the wire harness for the other car, and then you put it into this, the car will turn on because you use your same wire harness. A lot of people don't know that.
I don't know about that.
Yeah. A lot of those kids that get stuck. Always get stuck. You don't even know how many people go. Like 6 months pass by. Yo, you guys will take the motor back. After 30 days, I cannot take the motor back. And they still charge you 25% restocking fee.
Lose money either way with that.
Yeah, the person lose money. We make money no matter what. This is a business around. We always make money.
Yeah. You guys stock on rotaries too?
What type of rotor you need?
It was only automatic, right?
Yeah.
And you wanted a manual?
Yeah. That's the big like dilemma I was having, because like I was looking for a 1J, well, like a 1 or 2J, and I'm like, should we just build the motor? The trans is already, that's capable of whatever we're gonna put through it with any size turbo. So I'm thinking like, you just keep the trans and like see how it goes with it, or like, do we just switch completely one time to manual and have the car down for a couple, but then you end up having like a full working car at the end. So no, different diffuser on that one. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know what to do. That motor is definitely coming home with me. Just I gotta figure out how, and I gotta make sure I have everything ready before get the seatbelt in. Goodness, yeah, before I pick it up. Because if he's talking about wiring harness, which I know a lot of people they go ahead and they out of focus. Goodness. There we go. Yeah, I know a lot of people go and they switch it out and they splice it and everything. I'm gonna have to find someone to do that. I actually think Tom and the team can do it. But yeah, that motor is definitely coming home with me. But I don't know why it's getting so bright. Goodness.
There you go.
All right, yeah. So 1J it is, according to price. We got the guy's name. His name is Nelson. He's here in Belleville, right there. You guys can see it. Yeah, go visit them. They have like a dream house in there. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. But goodness, that was an experience. All right, see you guys later. Stay monsters.